Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's seen through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through.
Hey girlies, today I'm installing this 13 by 6 drawstring lace frontal wig with bangs from Myfirst Wig. This is a 14-inch silky straight wig that comes with a lot of bells and whistles. So let's go ahead and get into the details of this wig. First of all, this wig is pre-cut, pre-styled. The lace is pre-plucked and pre-bleached. There is no size fitting needed for this wig. It's going to give you the perfect fit no matter what because it comes with this drawstring right here. It also comes with the adjustable straps. It comes with the headband on the wig. Like, girl, this is going to give you the perfect fit no matter what, and it's not going to slip or move on you at all. And because of all of these wonderful things, you do not need any glue, gel, or spray to secure this wig, which we love, right? We want to be able to take our units off when needed. And also, I love that each band on this wig can be customized to the perfect fit. So if you want this wig to be tighter or looser, you can definitely do so. Perfect fit every single time. So right here, I'm just actually showing you how you can put the wig on if you decide to use the band method. Now you can definitely take this band off and not use this method. If you decide to use this method with the band on, you just simply put it on like this, and you can adjust the band if you want it to be a little bit more tighter, and you just literally flip it over. It's that simple, girl. No glue, no spray, no gel, no thread, nothing is needed. So right here is the drawstring method, or let me step back a little bit. I'm just simply tightening the wig actually. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck the extra piece underneath my wig, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the drawstring method. And that's just going to tighten the wig a little bit more, giving me more support. Again, this is a great technique if you don't want to use the band. Girl, I'm going to use everything because I don't want my wig to move at all. I don't braid my hair down underneath, so my hair is not as super duper flat. I mean, it's flat, but it's not like the braid down flat. So I need my wig to be tight and snug, and this definitely gives that. And it also makes sure that the lace in the front lays flat and it doesn't wrinkle up, which I'll show you guys in the front in just a minute. But anyways, yeah, I love this method. And then to simply hide the string, just tuck it underneath your wig. Promise you it's not going to move. It's not going to come out of the wig. It's not going to play peekaboo or anything like that. And yeah, girl, it's hiding. You can't even see the string or the headband. So this is the front of the wig. Look at this lace, y'all. Like literally, what lace? This is crazy. Do y'all see how clear and invisible this lace is on this wig? This Swiss lace is so good. Look at this pre-plucked hairline. Again, knots is already bleached. Lace is already bleached. Everything about this hairline, this lace gives scalp. Natural. Honestly, I was debating on if I wanted to do bangs with this wig, the original style, or if I just wanted to do a middle part because it was definitely giving this is your hair. The lace on this wig is so soft, it literally melts into my skin. I don't have anything on this lace. This is the wig straight out of the box. I have not washed this wig. I have not put any spray on this wig. This is the wig straight out of the box. This is what you're going to get when you order this wig. The lace literally melts into my skin. This is crazy. I feel like Myfirst Wig has definitely upgraded their wig. I need to reach out to them to confirm this, but this is what it's giving. Definitely an upgrade for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what I want to do with this wig because I really want to do a middle part, but I think I gotta stick to the bang look. But yo, y'all look at this. Do y'all see how this looks like it is literally growing out of my scalp? There is no lace showing on this wig. This is crazy. I was trying to find the density on this wig, but I can't find it. But for this to be a straight wig, it is very full. Also, this wig comes with layers, which I love. I love the layers on this wig. I love that the bangs is not super full and thick. I love that it's giving like that thin, kind of razor comb look type of situation. I don't know. It's cute to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just flat iron my hair in sections and see, just what it's giving. Okay, so I am so not a bang girl, but one thing that I do not want to do is cut too much of the bangs off. So I'm just going to cut just a little bit off, and then I feel like if I need to take more off, I will just pull my wig back. But I'm definitely not going to cut off too much hair on the bangs. So yeah, that's how I cut my bangs. I want my bangs to be just like this, kind of like right above my lashes. Cute. Love the layers on this wig. Love the whole bob look. I don't want my bangs to be too tight, so I'm just barely like bumping my bangs. And I just love the whole thin look of this bang. Cute. Anyways, I'm gonna keep styling and I'll be back. All right, so this is pretty much the final look. It came out super duper cute, bouncy, flowy, fun, young, youthful look. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig. I love the lace on this wig, love the hair, love the style. This is just a perfect wig. Oh, and it's glueless, so why not? I'm going to leave the coupon code link and everything below in the description bar. Make sure you click the link. Thanks for watching. Bye.